So if you guys are curious on how to replace wiper blades yourself on your own vehicle in 2 minutes or less, this video is for you today. Let's get into it. Let's unbox these. We picked these up on Amazon. We're gonna remove the blades from the car and install the new ones and keep my wife safe because it is raining and monsooning in Arizona where we live right now. Not sure if you guys can hear the thunder, but it's raining. There's the lightning for our Mazda CX-5, and the reason being is the blade, being that we live in the hot desert climate, the blade is actually starting to fall off on the ones that we have. So I picked this, it's an A398S, which should be a set. Yes, it is. So rather than buying the individual, it comes with a 24-inch blade and an 18-inch blade. Rather than buying them individually, I bought these as a set on Amazon for like 40 bucks. And that's gonna save a lot of money. So really all you guys have to do to remove these is you're gonna see this little nub right on the wiper arm. You basically just depress that and you can just push it in with your thumb. And this is for the OE design, and the old blade will just literally just pop right out. And the other type of older wiper blades you guys may run across are the J style arms, and for those they're very similar. You just depress the little button and just slide them on and off. Other than that, they pretty much work the same. So let's replace that. Come over here and basically just slip it right back into the arm. And it just clicks right in. You'll see that that little nub is right where it's supposed to be. And this is good to go. Let's do the other one. So you guys can see that rubber is just all blown out. And that is no good. So literally just slip the old one off. Be careful that you don't let your arm smack your windshield because you don't want to break your windshield, so just be mindful of that. New one's going to slip right in and locks right into place. That's the OE design from Bosch. Old ones can go in the trash. And let me know, guys, I didn't buy a rear wiper, but if you want to see a rear wiper install for a Mazda, let me know in the comments and I'll do that video for you. Some of the things that I like about Bosch, if you guys have never used Bosch blades, they're pretty much the best blades I've ever had. And the thing I like about the design, see this little lip? That lip puts down force on the blade when you're in the wind. So it helps maintain adequate pressure to the glass and squeegee the water off effectively. All right, guys, that's all that there is to it. If you guys were trying to figure out, hey, can I replace windshield wiper blades myself? Absolutely. It's literally one click, slip off, put the new one on. You can do it yourself in less than 2 minutes. And that's everything that there is that you need to know. I'm gonna go ahead and do some Rain-X to close this video out just to get that water to beat off the glass, keep my wife even that much safer. And anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video today. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up, leave me some comments, and I will have the product links in the description for the blades that I used. And that's good for pretty much any like 2016 Mazda Plus or newer. Guys haven't used Rain-X, I've been using it since I was 17 years old, and I'm 43 now, so what is that, 36 years? No, 26 years. Sorry, my math was horrible. It's been a long day at work, and I'm a little tired, but yeah, if you guys have never used it, I definitely recommend trying it. Literally makes the water just repel right off the glass, or if you're driving over 25 miles an hour, the water will literally just blow right off the glass. You don't even have to use your wipers, which I like because the wipers are kind of expensive and that kind of helps prolong the life and keeps them from wearing out. So you usually get like 3-4 years out of your wiper blades with using Rain-X in between, and usually I only have to apply it about once every 3-4 months, and that's enough to kind of keep a good year-round protective layer on the glass where it's always working every time it rains. And it also keeps the dirt from sticking to the glass too. So it also helps keep it cleaner, which is nice. But yeah, definitely recommend trying it. I'll have it linked in the description with the matching set of blades, and I'll have the blade for the rear too listed, because sometimes it's kind of confusing. You go to the store and you can't find the right blade that you want, and you can't find anybody to help you. I've done all the legwork. I'll have the links that you guys need in the description below. And then with Rain-X, all you got to do is just buff it off with a clean rag. If you don't take the time to buff it off, it leaves like a bunch of kind of like streaks on the glass. It's like a hazy finish, which is hard to see out. As soon as the light shine into it, you won't be able to see. It's like your glass is dirty, or if like the sun shines into it, it's kind of the same effect. So make sure you take the time to buff it off, and maybe flip the towel over to the other side so you can just ensure that you get it all off. And that kind of polishes the surface at the same time. And the better you kind of polish it off, it makes the water repel that much more effectively. And for any of you guys that would like to see episode 2, I could definitely do a full video review for you guys if you guys want me to test the blades in the most extreme weather conditions. I will drive my car in a monsoon and film it to not only test the blade performance, but to show you guys what the Rain-X can do for you guys. If you guys want to see that video, hit the thumbs up. Let's get 200 likes, and I will go out and I will GoPro up my car and shoot that video for you guys. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave me some comments down below, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.